Let us start our class. Hi all.
Yeah.
Yes. Turn on your video. Turn off your mic. Then after that, mark your attendance now.
Good afternoon,
Yes, yes. Good afternoon. Mark your attendance.
Good afternoon,
Yes. Good afternoon. Mark your attendance. Mark your attendance. Please turn on your video. All of you. All of you turn on your video. Please mark your attendance. Where is your class leader, Ishan? Where is Ishan? Our class leader, Ishan. Where is he? Please arrange the classroom. I want chalk. Where is he?
Duster.
Duster. I need duster. I want chalk. Yes, yes. Please arrange the classroom. Where is our class leader, Ishan? Eh? Where? Okay, let us start our class. Are you ready?
I am ready.
Take out your textbook. Turn on your video. Turn off your mic. Okay. Turn on your video, Lashmi, Abhilash, Nigel, and turn off your mic. And Muhammad Sadeh. Now eating time.
മിസ്സേ കഴിഞ്ഞ ക്ലാസ്സിൽ ഡിക്റ്റേഷൻ വേർഡ്സ് തന്നില്ലേ അത് ഗ്രൂപ്പില് ഇട്ടോ ഞങ്ങളുടെ ഗ്രൂപ്പിൽ കണ്ടില്ല.
All of you had your lunch. Somebody
No,
something. Dictation words. Who asked?
Stand for class.
After the class. Okay, okay. Okay. Let us start our class. Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Yes, ma'am, ready.
Does anyone have any doubt? No? Does anyone have any doubt? In our previous, what did we learn in our previous class?
Second chapter.
What did we learn in previous lesson? New chapter. Name of the lesson. Can you say name of the lesson?
The little bird.
The little bird.
Little bird.
Name of the lesson?
The little bird. The little bird.
Okay, this story Okay. We are going to study a simple story. This story, there are how many?
Little red.
How many children?
Little red.
Okay, name of the lesson. Do you know name of the children? Do you know? Don't say like that. Every time I told you, don't say that. Don't say like that. Please keep quiet. This story, there are 4 children. How many children? How many? How many children? 4 children. Okay, do you know name of the 4 children? Mahi, Jo, Bir, Mahi, and they were sitting inside the house or outside the house? Inside the house or outside the house? Okay, Saad, please. Saad, turn on your mic, Saad. They were sitting inside the home or outside the home? Saad. Saad. Say the answer. Inside the home or outside the home? Turn on. Inside the house. Why are they sitting inside the house? Devapriya, say, why are they sitting inside the house? Why are they sitting? Because of rain. They were very sad. Why? They were very sad. Why? Hessa, say, why they were very sad? They can't go play outside. They can't go play outside. Who is that making sound, Midilaj? Okay, Mono, listen here. All of you listen here. Gayatri, turn on your mic, Gayatri. What shall we do all?
Yes, ma'am.
What shall we do all day? Who said that? Who told that? What shall we do all day? Who told that? Who?
Miss Pejeda.
Who is asking? New lesson. Our name of the new chapter. Our new chapter. Name of the chapter. The Little Bird. Okay. Name of the chapter. Little Bird. Little Bird. Simple story. There are 4 children. There are 4 children. Do you know the 4 children's names? Today we learn new lesson, the little bird. Okay. Simple story. Chapter we are a simple story. This story, there were 4 children. Do you know how many children? 4. Do you know name of the 4 children? Joe, Beer, Mahi, Anu. Mahi and Anu. They were inside the house. Why are they sitting inside the house? Because of rain. Because of rain. So they were very sad. Why they were very sad? They can't go play outside. Then little bird has come into their home. When no, wait. I will take test book. Okay, wait. Okay, look at the screen now. It was raining. The grass was wet. Joe, Mahi, Beer, and Anu were inside the house. They were sitting inside the house. What shall we do all day? Joe told. We cannot go out to play. Who said that? Mahi said that. Oh, look, a bird has come into our house. Bear told, oh, look, a bird has come into our house. Let us keep him in a box. Who told, let us keep him in a box? Joe told, let us keep him in a box. Oh, no, we must not do that. He will be sad. Who told that? Anu told, no, we must not do that. He will be sad. No, is it a good idea? Do you think like that? No, don't do like that. Because we all need freedom, no? No, it is not. So they decided to free the bird. After that, they decided free the bird. When Beer opened the window. Who opened the window? Beer. Beer opened the window. When they looked outside, they could see the sky. Oh, 1 minute. Did you understand? Yes, okay. Listen here. 1 minute. One minute. Okay. The little bird, name of the lesson, the little bird. Okay, it was raining. The grass was wet. Joe, Mahi, Beer and Anu were inside the house. What shall we do all day? Joe asked. We cannot go out to play, Mahi told. Oh, look, a bird has come into our house, Beer told. Then let us keep him in a box, Joe told. Oh no, we must not do that. He will be sad. Next page. Bear opened the window. Who opened the window? Who opened the window?
No.
Okay. Bear opened the. Okay. Bear opened the window. When they looked out, see, they are looking, no? When they looked out, the sky was blue. The sky was which color? The sun. Okay, the sun was shining. The sun was shining. The little bird hopped out. The little bird hopped out. He flew and he flew and he flew. He flew to a big tree. He was singing. What was he singing? Turn off your mic. Ayon Sabin. What is that, Ayon Sabin? Ayon Sabin. What is that, Ayon Sabin? Ayon Sabin. Ayon Sabin. What is that?
No. No.
Okay. I like you, Joe. I like you, Beer. I like you, Anu and Mahi. Bird singing, no? See. I love the trees. I love the flowers. And I love the sunshine too. Bird was singing like that. Then Beer, Anu, Mahi, Joe, they said, we love you too. We love you too. So Beer opened the window. Beer opened the window. Who opened the window? Beer opened the window. Let us keep him in a box. Let us keep him in a box. Who told? Joe said that. Joe told, let us keep him in a box. Dear students, remember, don't put any birds or any animals in a box or cage. They also need freedom. They also wanted to go anywhere. They also wanted to do anything. Hope you have understood the simple chapter. Did you understand?
Yes.
Yes or no? Okay. Then read the test book. Okay. 2-3 times you can read the test book and say, look at the screen, take out your test book, read and understand. Write T for true or F for false. First question, the grass was wet. The grass was wet. True. The grass was wet. True or false?
True.
True. Second question, the children played outside the house. True or false? Children played inside.
False.
False. True or false?
True.
False. Children played outside the house.
False.
False.
Ah.
Write F.
False.
Okay. A little bird came into the house. Little bird came into the house. True. True. Mother wanted to keep
Little bird came into the house. Little bird came into the house. True or false?
Who is that? Please turn off your mic.
He wanted to keep.
True പറഞ്ഞാൽ ശരിയാണ്.
Please listen here. The grass was wet. True. The children played outside the house. Children played outside the house. Is it true? No. False. Right F. A little bird came into the house. Little bird came into the house. Is it true? Yes, true. Mahi wanted to keep the bird in a box. No, false. Who wanted to keep? Joe. Who wanted to keep? Who wanted to keep the bird in a box? Joe. Here, question Mahi wanted to keep the bird in a box. False. Write it. Do it now. Do it now. Dictation words, did you write? Yes or no? Dictation words. Look at the screen. Do it. Write T for true, F for false. Write the answer T, true or false. The grass was wet. T. The children played outside the house. False. Children played inside the house. A little bird came into the house. Little bird came into the house. True. Mahi wanted to keep the bird in a box. No, false. Joe wanted to keep the bird in a box. Mahi, here see first question, the grass was wet. True. The children played outside the house. False. A little bird came into the house. True. Fourth one, Mahi wanted to keep the bird in a box. False. Who wanted to keep the bird in a box? Joe. Joe wanted to keep. Okay. And look, a baby smiles. Rahul paints. Rahul, second one, paints like this. A peacock dances. A peacock dances. A river look, a river flows. River flows like this. See, a baby smiles. A baby, match it. A baby smiles. Rahul paints. Second one, Rahul paints. Third one, peacock dances. Peacock dances. A river flows. River flows. A ship sails. Ship sails. Once again, a baby smiles. Rahul paints. Peacock dances. River flows. Ship sail. Baby smiles. Rahul paints. Rahul doing paints. Peacock doing dances. A river flows. A ship sail. Very easy, no? Rahul Rahul doing paint like this, bro. Peacock doing dances. River flows. Ship sails. Did you understand? Did you mark your attendance? Don't forget that. Okay. Okay. Did you understand? I hope you understood this chapter. Yes or no? Finish? Look at the textbook. Name of the lesson, The Little Bird. It was raining. The grass was wet. The grass was wet. Joe, Mahi, Bir and Anu were inside the house. Why they are sitting inside the house? Because of rain. Outside rain. What shall we do all day? Joe told. What shall we do all day? We cannot go out to play. They were very sad, no? We cannot go out to play. Oh, look, a bird has come into our house. Bear told, oh, look, a bird has come into our house. Let us keep him in a box. Joe told, let us keep him in a box. Oh, no, we must not do that. He will be sad. Anu told like that. Then Bear opened the window. Bear opened the window. The clouds had gone. The sky was blue. The sun was shining. The little bird hopped out. The little bird hopped out. He was happy. He flew and flew and flew. He flew to a big tree. After that, he was singing now. What was he saying? I like you, Joe. I like you, Bear. I like you, Anu and Mahi. I love the trees. I love the flowers. And I love the sunshine too. Then, we love you too, Anu, Bear, Joe, Mahi. We love you too. Who told we love you too? Gayatri, who told we love you too? Turn on your mic, Gayatri.
Yes.
Who told we love you too?
Mahi,
Ah,
Joe,
ah,
Bear,
ah.
Anu.
Okay, very good. Let us keep him in a box. Who told? Let us keep him in a box. Anna Grace, turn on your video, Anna. Who told? Let us keep him in a box. Anna, let us keep him in a box. Okay. Okay. Mahadiya, mole turn on your mic. Mahadiya. We cannot go out to play. Who said that? We cannot go out to play. Who said? Mahadiya. We cannot go out to play. Who said that? Tell me. Turn on your mic and say the answer. Kashinath. Kashinath. We cannot go out to play. Who said that? We cannot go out to play. Who said that?
Mahi.
Mahi. Lashmi Abhilash. Oh. Look, a bird has come into our house. Who told Lakshmi?
ജോയല്ല.
Oh, look, a bird has come into our house. Who said that? Beer said. Then alone, Ullas, alone. Alone in Ullas. Alone, turn on your mic, Mono. What shall we do all day? Who said that? What shall we do? Please turn off your mic, all of you. Alone Ullas, say the answer. What shall we do all day?
Train.
Who said that? Joe said that. Joe said that. Okay.
Okay,
Drishya, Drishya, turn on your mic, Drishya. Let us keep him in a box. Who said that? Called. Okay, good. How many friends are there alone? How many friends are there alone? Alone, Joseph. Devapriya. Okay, Devapriya, name of the lesson. Devapriya. Oh, Devapriya already told the answer. Sorry. Arjun Rajesh, name of the lesson. Arjun. Name of the lesson. Okay, the little bird. Parvana, turn on your mic. Oh no, we must not do that. He will be sad. Let us keep him in a box. Who said? Joe said. Oh no, we must not do that. Who said that, Parvana? He will be sad. Who said that? Very good. Anu said. Priyanka, turn on your mic. They were sitting outside or inside? Inside the house or outside the Priyanka? They were sitting inside the house or outside the house? Please turn off your mic. Priyanka, please turn on. They were sitting inside the house or inside the house? Afrin Parveen. Turn on your mic, Afrin. Echo. Where is Parveen? Turn on your mic, Parveen. Albert Scaria, turn on your mic. Turn on your mic, Albert. Avedya. Sorry, Samanjana. No. I asked you, Afrin. No? Afrin, turn on your mic, Afrin. Afrin. Okay. They were sitting inside the house or outside the house?
Inside.
Okay. Samanjana, why are they sitting inside the house? Samanjana. Why are they sitting inside the house?
Because raining.
Because of rain. Okay. Ridudev CK. Ridudev CK. Turn on your mic, Monu. How many friends are there?
4.
4 friends. We can, Amna, Fatima, Amna, we cannot go out to play. Who said that? We cannot go out to play. Who said that? Mahi said. Adon, let us keep him in a box. Who said that? Adon, let us keep him in a box. Who said that? Turn on your mic. Srishna K. Nambiar. Srishna, turn on your mic, Srishna. I don't say the answer. I don't say the answer.
Joe.
Okay. Who, Srishna K. Nambiar, who opened the window? Who opened the window? Srishna.
We open the window.
Okay, very good. Alon Joseph. Alon Joseph. A little bird came into the house. True or false? Little bird came into the house. True or false? Alon Joseph. Alon, turn on your mic. Then say the answer. True or false? True or false? A little bird came